Hello students, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. This is for class 4th subject mathematics. I will continue chapter number 1 factors and multiples, lecture number 7. In this lecture I shall discuss about prime factorization, highest common factor HCF, and exercise 1E question number 1 A to E part. Now prime factorization. What is prime factorization? Prime factorization is finding of all the prime numbers which multiply to make the original number. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन प्राइम नंबर्स को फाइंड करता है जो प्राइम नंबर्स का अगर हम उनको मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमारा वापस वही ओरिजिनल नंबर आए. सी वी कैन फैक्टराइज ए नंबर बाय द फॉलोइंग मेथड्स. नंबर 1 फैक्टर ट्री मेथड. नंबर 2 डिवीजन मेथड. नाउ I will explain you by examples. See, for example, question number 1. Factorize the following numbers by factor tree method as well as division method. A part 12. We have to factorize 12 by factor tree method as well as division method. See, first we will factorize 12 by factor tree method. Answer C. Factor tree method. How we factorize? By factor tree method. C. Write here number 12. Now see, 12 is divisible by 2 or not? Divide 12 by 2. Yes, 12 is divisible by 2. As we have learned divisibility rule. Divisibility by 2 as the ones digit is an even digit. That is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then that number is divisible by 2. And here in given number 12, the ones digit is 2. That is divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12. So make line like this. Write here 2 and 6 here. 2 6 are 12. Now this see 2 is a prime number. Now see this 6. Factorize 6. 6 is divisible by 2. So write here, make the lines here and write 2 here and 3 here. 2 3 are 6. Now see this 3 1 are 3. Write here 3 and 1 here. So prime factors of 12 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. See 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. हम ये वाली साइड प्राइम फैक्टर्स की यहाँ लिखते हैं. ये प्राइम नंबर्स ही हैं. 2 2 3 प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. सो प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12 आर 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Now multiply 2 2 जा 4 and 4 3 जा 12. वापिस वही नंबर आ गया हमारा ओरिजिनल नंबर 12. So these are the prime factors of 12. Now we will factorize 12 by division method. Now see, I will factorize 12 by division method. See, we will make lines this one. Write here 12. Now see, this 12 is divisible by 2. So write here 2. और यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे हम? See 2 6 are 12. So 2 यहाँ पे लिखेंगे and 6 यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. Now make line this like. Now this 6 is divisible by 2. So write here 2 and write here 3. So 2 3 are 6. Now this 3. See 3 1 जा 3. So write here 3 and 1 here. हम जब तक सॉल्व करते रहेंगे जब तक यहाँ पे 1 नहीं आएगा तब तक हम फैक्टराइज करेंगे. सो 2 2 and 3. These are the prime factors. So write here prime factors of 12 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Now come to B part. 24. We have to factorize 24 by factor tree method as well as division method. First we will factorize 24 by factor tree method. Answer factor tree method. Write here 24 and make lines this one like this. Now divide 24 by 2. Yes, 24 is divisible by 2. So किसकी टेबल में आता है 2 multiply 12. 2 multiply 12 equal 24. So write here 2 and 12 here. 2 12 ja 24. Now again we will factorize 12. Again divide 12 by 2. Yes, 12 is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. So make a line this one. Write 2 here and 6 here. 2 6 are 12. Now this 6 is divisible by 2. So make a line this one. So write here 2 and 3 here. 2 3 ja 6. Now again this 3 1 ja 3. Write here 3 and 1 here. So this 2 2 2 3. These are the prime factors of 24. So prime factors of 24 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. See 2 multiply 2 4 multiply 2 8 multiply 3 24. So these are the prime factors of 24. Now division method. Now we will factorize 24 by division method. See we will make a line this one right here 24. Now divide 24 by 2. Yes, 24 is divisible by 2. So write here 2 and 12 here. 2 12 ja 24. Now again make a line like this. Now again divide 12 by 2. Yes, 12 is divisible by 2. So write here 2 and 6 here. 2 6 are 12. Now again we will factorize this 6. 6 is divisible by 2. So write here 2 and 3 here. 2 3 ja 6. Now again this 3. 3 1 ja 3. So write here 3 and 1 here. हम जब तक फैक्टराइज करेंगे जब तक यहाँ पे 1 नहीं आ जाता लास्ट में तब तक हम फैक्टराइज करेंगे. सो दीज आर दी प्राइम फैक्टर्स 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So write here prime factors of 24 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So these are the prime factors of 24. Now come to new topic. Highest common factor HCF. What is highest common factor? HCF is the highest number which divides two or more numbers exactly. जो दो या दो से ज़्यादा नंबर्स को डिवाइड करे एग्जैक्टली वो हाईएस्ट नंबर जो दो या दो से ज़्यादा नंबर्स को डिवाइड करे एग्जैक्टली वो हमारा HCF होता है. We find the HCF by two methods. Number 1 factor tree method and number 2 division method. In this lecture I will explain you how to find HCF by factor tree method. I will explain you by examples. See for example question number 1. Find the HCF of 24 and 40 by factor tree method. We have to find the HCF of 24 and 40 by factor tree method. So answer, first we will factorize 24 and then we will factorize 40. See, we will factorize 24 then make lines like this. Again 24 is divisible by 2. So write here 2 and 12 here. 2 12 ja 24. Now again divide 12 by 2. 12 is divisible by 2. Make line this one. Write here 2 and 6 here. 2 6 ja 12. Now again factorize 6. This 6 is divisible by 2. Write here 2 and 3 here. 2 3 जा 6. अब देखो बेटा ये 3 हम फर्दर सॉल्व करेंगे तो 3 1 जा 3 आ गया. तो या तो हम यहीं पर छोड़ देंगे या आगे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं हम कि 3 यहाँ पे लिखा और 1 यहाँ पे लिखा. तो हम यहाँ पे भी उसको लिव कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे भी हम छोड़ सकते हैं. सो ये हमारे प्राइम फैक्टर्स हो गए 24 के. 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 3. नाउ वी विल फैक्टराइज 40. Now factorize 40 by factor tree method. Write here 40 and make two lines like this. So this divide 40 by 2. Yes, 40 is divisible by 2. 2 20 ja 40. So write here 2 and 20 here. Now again this 20 is divisible by 2. 2 10 ja 20. Write here 2 and 10 here. Now again 10 is divisible by 2. 2 5 ja 10. Write here 2 and 5 here. 2 5 ja 10. Now see this 5. Further 5 multiply 1 equal 5. 5 1 ja 5. तो हम यहाँ पे भी छोड़ सकते हैं ऐसे. तो प्राइम फैक्टर्स 40 के कौन से हो गए? 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 मल्टीप्लाई 5. So write here prime factors of 24 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Prime factors of 40 equal 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. Now see common factors. 2 mark 2. Next number 2 mark 2. Next number 2 mark 2. This 3 is not here in 40 and 5 not there, so we will not mark. So the common factors are 2 2 and 2. Right here. So HCF of 24 and 40 equal, we will write common factors. We will multiply the common factors. See 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Now solve. 2 2 ja 4 and 4 multiply 2 equal 8. So HCF of 24 and 40 is 8. Now solve the following questions. Exercise 1E from Together with Essence book term 2. Question number 1. Determine the HCF of the following pairs by factor tree method. A part 5 and 10. We have to determine the HCF of 5 and 10 by factor tree method. Answer. See, first we will factorize 5 and then we will factorize 10. See, right here 5. This 5 is already a prime number which can be multiplied by 1. See, right here make lines like this. 5 multiply 1 equal 5. So write here 5 and 1 here. 5 1 ja 5. Now we will factorize 10. Write here 10. Now this 10 is divisible by 2. 2 5 ja 10. Make lines like this. Write here 2 and 5 here. 2 5 ja 10. Now this 5 is already a prime number. So now we can solve further also. That 5 multiply 1 equal 5 और we can leave here also. हम यहाँ पे भी उसको छोड़ सकते हैं. हम आगे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. आगे भी सेम आएगा भाई. 5 मल्टीप्लाई 1 तो वही हमारा आ गया. 5 1 जा 5. तो हम यहाँ पे भी इसको छोड़ सकते हैं. So prime factors of 5 is 5 and prime factors of 10 are 2 multiply 5. So write here prime factor of 5 equal 5 and prime factors of 10 equal 2 multiply 5. Now we will find common factor. See, 5 is a common factor, so mark 5. So HCF of 5 and 10 equal 5. Now come to B part, 25 and 30. We have to determine the HCF of 25 and 30 by factor tree method. Answer, see, first we will factorize 25 and then we will factorize 30. Right here 25. Now see, divide 1 by 1. See, divide 25 by 2. 25 is not divisible by 2. 25 is not divisible by 3. Next 4. 24 is not divisible by 4. See, divide 25 by 5. Yes, 25 is divisible by 5. 5 multiply 5 equal 25. Make lines like this. Write 5 here and 5 here. 5 multiply 5 equal 25. Now see, this 5 we can solve further. Like 5 multiply 1 equal 5. और we can leave here also. हम यहाँ पे भी उसको छोड़ सकते हैं. Now we will factorize 30. Right here 30. Now this 30, divide 30 by 2. Yes, 30 is divisible by 2. 2 multiply 15. So make line like this. Write here 2 and 15 here. Now factorize 15. See, 15 is not divisible by 2. Next 15 is divisible by 3. So make lines like this and write here 3 and 5 here. 3 multiply 5 equal 15. Now this 5 we can factorize further, like 5 multiply 1 equal 5, or we can leave here also. Prime factors of 25 equal 5 multiply 5 and prime factors of 30 equal 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So write here prime factors of 25 equal 5 multiply 5. Prime factors of 30 equal 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now find common factors. See, 2 is not a common factor, 3 is not a common factor. Yes, 5. 5 is a common factor, so mark 5. This next number 5 is not a common factor, so mark this 5. So HCF of 25 and 30 equal 5. Now come to D part, 23 and 25. We have to determine the HCF of 23 and 25 by factor tree method. Answer, see, first we will factorize 23 and then we will factorize 25. Right here 23. This 23 is a prime number जो खुद से ही होगा नंबर से डिविजिबल. सी, मेक लाइन्स लाइक दिस एंड राइट हियर 23 and 1 here. 23 multiply 1 equal 23. Now we will factorize 25. Right here 25. Now see, this 25, divide 25 by 2. It is not divisible by 2 and 25 is also not divisible by 3. हम 4 से तो करेंगे नहीं डिवाइड, क्योंकि हमें प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करनी है, इनकी प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालने. तो 4 तो प्राइम फैक्टर नहीं है. आप देखो नेक्स्ट नंबर 5, डिवाइड 25 बाय 5. येस, 25 इज डिविजिबल बाय 5. सो मेक लाइन्स लाइक दिस. राइट हियर 5 हियर एंड 5 हियर. 5 multiply 5 equal 25. Now this 5 is a prime number which can be solved further, that 5 multiply 1 equal 5, or we can leave here also. So prime factor of 23 equal 23 and prime factors of 25 equal 5 multiply 5. So write prime factor of 23 equal 23. Prime factors of 25 equal 5 multiply 5. Now find common factors. देखो बेटा, कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर्स नहीं है इसमें हमारा। 23 है, यहाँ पे 5 × 5 है, तो कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है। सो जिसका कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है इसका मतलब वो 1 से ही मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है खुद से ही। 23 × 1 और 5 × 1 हमारा वही आएगा। सो हमारा कॉमन फैक्टर क्या हो जाएगा 1। सो HCF भी इसका हमारा 1 होगा। सो HCF ऑफ 23 एंड 25 इक्वल 1। Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Exercise 1E from Together with Essence book. Term 2. Question number 1. Determine the HCF of the following pairs by factor tree method. C part 16 and 48. D part 4 and 6. I repeat once again. Question number 1. Determine the HCF of the following pairs by factor tree method. C part 16 and 48. D part 4 and 6. Now extra question. Number 1. Factorize the following numbers by factor tree method as well as division method. A part 36. B part 45. I repeat once again. Extra question number 1. Factorize the following numbers by factor tree method as well as division method. A part 36. B part 45. These are the questions assigned as homework. Now kindly subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.